Imagine a world where the skies are orange, lakes are filled with liquid methane, and the temperature is colder than the harshest winter on Earth. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Could this frozen world hold the secrets to humanity's future? Or is it destined to remain a nightmare frozen in time? What if Titan could become our new Earth? Or would it be a cold, unforgiving wasteland? Let's explore the possibilities. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things space. Titan, Saturn's moon, is a world shrouded in mystery and wonder. With its thick, hazy atmosphere and lakes filled with liquid methane, it's a place that seems more like a scene from a science fiction novel than a real celestial body. But there's more to Titan than meets the eye. This frozen planet bears striking similarities to early Earth, making it a prime candidate for those who dream of space colonization. Imagine standing on the surface of Titan, gazing up at its orange skies. Could this be the future Earth? Or is it simply an illusion of habitability? Scientists have long been intrigued by Titan's potential to support life. The presence of organic compounds and a dense atmosphere has sparked discussions about whether this distant moon could one day become a refuge for humanity. But what makes Titan so fascinating isn't just its similarities to Earth. It's the possibilities it holds for future exploration and perhaps even colonization. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, Titan stands out as a tantalizing prospect, a place where the line between science fiction and reality begins to blur. However, Titan is not without its challenges. While it offers a thick atmosphere that could protect against cosmic radiation, the extreme cold and lack of liquid water present formidable obstacles. But isn't that what makes the idea of space colonization so captivating? The unknown, the risk, the sheer audacity of imagining life on a frozen world millions of miles away. As we delve deeper into what makes Titan so unique, the question remains: can this moon, with its eerie similarities to early Earth, truly become our future home? Or is it destined to remain an enigma in the vastness of space? Titan's environment is a double-edged sword, a blend of potential and peril. On one hand, its thick atmosphere offers a shield against cosmic radiation, a crucial factor if we're to consider any form of space colonization. This protective layer, rich in nitrogen and hydrocarbons, might remind us of early Earth, but it comes with a twist. The surface temperatures on Titan hover around -290 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest places in our solar system. This extreme cold transforms its lakes and rivers into liquid methane and ethane, creating a world where water is hard as rock and the air itself could freeze you solid. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, Titan remains one of the most promising candidates for habitability beyond Earth. The organic compounds found in its atmosphere suggest that the building blocks of life might be present, albeit in a frozen state. Imagine a future where humanity has mastered the art of living in such extremes, where technology and resilience allow us to thrive in an environment that would otherwise be lethal. The challenges are immense, but the rewards could be equally significant. Could Titan be the place where life, as we don't yet know it, could flourish? Or are these conditions simply too hostile for any form of life to take root? The question of Titan's habitability ultimately hinges on our ability to overcome its environmental obstacles. Can we find a way to harness its methane lakes as an energy source? Could we develop technology to survive its extreme cold? Or, perhaps, is there something within Titan's atmosphere that we haven't yet discovered, a key to unlocking its potential as a new home for humanity? As we ponder these possibilities, it's clear that Titan's environment is as much a foe as it is a friend, a place where the line between survival and extinction is razor thin. The allure of Titan has not gone unnoticed by the scientific community. Over the years, this mysterious moon has been the focus of several missions, each one peeling back a layer of its enigmatic surface. The Cassini-Huygens mission, a collaborative effort between NASA and the European Space Agency, was the first to provide us with detailed images and data from Titan. When the Huygens probe descended through Titan's thick atmosphere and touched down on its frozen surface in 2005, it sent back images that both fascinated and puzzled scientists. Those first glimpses of Titan's surface, rivers and lakes filled with liquid methane, were a revelation, opening up a new chapter in our understanding of this distant world. But the exploration of Titan is far from over. NASA has its sights set on returning to Titan with the ambitious Dragonfly mission, scheduled for the mid-2030s. Dragonfly is a rotorcraft lander designed to fly across Titan's diverse landscapes, sampling its surface and atmosphere. Imagine a drone, but on an alien moon, equipped to analyze organic compounds and search for signs of habitability. This mission could be a game-changer, offering insights into Titan's potential as a future Earth and possibly even revealing whether life, in some form, already exists there. The prospect of Dragonfly uncovering the secrets hidden beneath Titan's thick atmosphere is nothing short of thrilling. The significance of these missions extends beyond just exploration. They represent humanity's growing ambition to push the boundaries of space colonization. With each new mission, we edge closer to understanding whether Titan could be more than just a frozen planet orbiting Saturn. Could it be the key to our future in space? Or will it reveal challenges too great to overcome? As the Dragonfly mission prepares to take flight, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of a future where Titan is no longer just a distant moon, but a potential new home for humanity. The data it gathers could very well set the stage for the next giant leap in our journey to the stars. The idea of terraforming Titan is as bold as it is complex, a futuristic possibility that captures the imagination. Terraforming, in essence, means transforming a planet or moon's environment to make it more Earth-like, suitable for human habitation. But how could this be done on a frozen planet like Titan? The first step might involve warming the atmosphere, perhaps by introducing greenhouse gases to trap heat. But even with warmth, Titan's atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and methane, would need to be altered significantly. Imagine creating an atmosphere where oxygen is plentiful and the frigid temperatures are raised to levels that could support liquid water. A massive undertaking, no doubt. Next comes the challenge of generating heat. One concept could involve the use of large mirrors in space, designed to reflect sunlight onto Titan's surface. This would gradually warm the moon, potentially melting the frozen water beneath its crust, creating oceans and lakes. But how feasible is this? And what kind of timeline are we talking about? The truth is, terraforming Titan would take centuries, if not millennia. Yet the prospect of turning this distant moon into a second Earth is tantalizing. Imagine a world where humanity has not only survived but thrived, adapting technology to create an environment where life could flourish on what was once an uninhabitable moon. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Even with advanced technology, terraforming Titan presents monumental challenges. The process would require immense resources and cooperation on a global scale, pushing the boundaries of what we currently know about space colonization. However, the potential rewards, a new home for humanity in the far reaches of the solar system, make it a goal worth considering. Could we really turn Titan into a place where future generations could live, work, and play? Or is this just a pipe dream, a sci-fi fantasy that will remain out of reach? As we ponder these possibilities, one thing is clear. The concept of terraforming Titan opens up a world of questions that challenge our understanding of what's possible in space exploration. When comparing Titan to other moons and planets in our solar system, it quickly becomes clear that each celestial body offers its own set of challenges and opportunities. Mars, for example, has long been considered the frontrunner for human colonization, with its relatively mild climate and the presence of water ice. Yet, Titan offers something Mars doesn't: a thick atmosphere that could shield future settlers from harmful cosmic radiation. This advantage alone makes Titan a strong contender in the race to become humanity's next home. But Mars, with its proximity to Earth and more familiar conditions, still holds the upper hand in many aspects of space colonization. Then there's Europa, another of Jupiter's moons. which has captured imaginations with the possibility of an ocean beneath its icy crust. While Europa might offer the potential for extraterrestrial life, it lacks the thick atmosphere that makes Titan so intriguing. And what about Enceladus, with its geysers of water vapor that hint at a subsurface ocean? Each of these moons presents unique opportunities for exploration and potential colonization, but none quite match the combination of features found on Titan. Titan's rich atmosphere, combined with its organic chemistry, positions it as a moon of unparalleled interest when considering the possibility of supporting human life. However, Titan is not without its drawbacks. The extreme cold, the distance from Earth, and the lack of readily available water are significant challenges. In contrast, Mars, with its more temperate environment and closer proximity, may seem like a more practical option. But the potential rewards of colonizing Titan, tapping into its vast resources, exploring its methane lakes, and possibly discovering new forms of life, make it a compelling alternative. The choice between these worlds isn't just a matter of feasibility, it's a question of ambition. Do we settle for the familiar, or do we reach for the extraordinary? As we weigh the possibilities, Titan stands out as a moon that challenges us to think beyond the ordinary, to consider what might be possible in the next great leap of space exploration. Titan, for all we've discovered, remains a world shrouded in mystery. Beneath its thick atmosphere and frozen surface lie questions that could redefine our understanding of life in the universe. One of the most intriguing possibilities is the presence of life, not as we know it, but in a form adapted to Titan's unique environment. Could there be organisms thriving in its methane lakes or in the liquid water believed to exist beneath its icy crust? The thought is both thrilling and humbling, suggesting that life might find a way in conditions vastly different from those on Earth. But as of now, these ideas remain speculative, awaiting the kind of exploration that only future missions can provide. Another mystery revolves around Titan's atmosphere, which is rich in complex organic molecules. These molecules, the building blocks of life, raise tantalizing questions about how far chemistry has progressed on this distant moon. Is Titan a prebiotic world on the verge of developing life, or does it represent a completely different path to habitability? Scientists are eager to dive deeper into these questions, but with every answer, more mysteries emerge. For instance, what processes are at work to maintain Titan's thick atmosphere? And what might we discover about our own planet by studying this distant moon? These unknowns make Titan a focal point for those who dream of uncovering the secrets of the universe. As we look forward, the upcoming Dragonfly mission promises to shed light on some of these mysteries. By exploring Titan's diverse environments, from its dunes to its lakes, this mission could provide answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. What will we find beneath Titan's frozen surface? Could there be hidden oceans, teeming with life, waiting to be discovered? Or will we uncover something even more surprising, evidence that challenges our very definition of life? The mystery of Titan is not just about what we know, but about what we have yet to discover. And that makes this moon one of the most exciting places in our solar system to explore. As we've journeyed through the mysteries and possibilities of Titan, it's clear that this frozen moon could hold the key to humanity's future or its downfall. The question now is, what do we do with this knowledge? Will we rise to the challenge of making Titan our next home, or will we let the fear of the unknown hold us back? Imagine the possibilities if we could overcome these obstacles. New frontiers, new beginnings, and perhaps even new forms of life. But remember, the road to making Titan habitable is long and uncertain, and it starts with curiosity and the courage to explore. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think? Could Titan really be the next Earth, or is it just too far-fetched? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest explorations into the cosmos. And if you're intrigued by the mysteries of the universe, you won't want to miss our previous video where we dive into the fascinating concept of white holes and whether they could be the secret to dark matter. Click here to watch it now and continue your journey into the unknown.